Good day, viewers. You're welcome to another edition of Boss Sport on Boss Sport TV, where we give you the latest news in the world of sports. My name is Saida Folabi. We start with boxing. Britain Dillian White will have the chance to get his revenge against Alexander Povetkin as Matchroom Boxing confirmed their rematch on March 6. The Russian, 41, produced a stunning knockout win in the fifth round of their WBC interim title fight in August. White, 32, was originally set to meet Povetkin for a second time in late November 2020 at Wembley Arena. However, the fight was postponed after the veteran Russian tested positive for COVID-19. This is the fight of my career, the fight of my life, said Dillian White. We move to basketball. I call it the sport of dunking. Steve Curry moved up to second on the NBA all-time three-pointers list in the Golden State Warriors win 172, 127, 108 defeat by the Utah Jazz. Curry scored 5 three-pointers, with his spot moving ahead of Reggie Miller in the NBA's record books. In total, the 32-year-old has made 2,562 three-pointers, now trailing only Hall of Famer Ray Allen, who hit 2,973. Donovan Mitchell top scored for the Utah Jazz with 23 points, 7 rebounds, and 6 assists in just 27 minutes. The Los Angeles Lakers continue their unbeaten run on the road this season with a 101-90 win over the Chicago Bulls. Anthony Davis scored a game-high 37 points for the reigning NBA champions, who have won all 9 games away from home, while LeBron James added a double-double with 17 points with 11 rebounds. Zach LaVine had 21 points and 10 rebounds for the Bulls, who had their 3-game winning streak ended. Elsewhere, Bam Adebayo's career high 41 points couldn't stop the Miami Heat from falling to a 128-124 defeat by the Brooklyn Nets, who led their tight corner from the start. Football moved to the king of sports rather, which is football. Liverpool manager Jurgen Klopp responded to the side's FA Cup defeat by Manchester United by saying, "Don't worry about us, we will deal with it." The loss to their first rivals means Liverpool have now won only one of their past 7 matches. The defending champions have also fallen to 4th in the Premier League, 6 points behind leaders Manchester United. We move to the transfers updates. Arsenal have reached an agreement to sign Norway midfielder Martin Odegaard, who is 22 years old, on loan from Real Madrid. The Gunners have agreed to pay a £1.8 million loan fee for Odegaard, but will not have an option to buy included in the deal. Manchester United manager Ole Gunnar Solskjaer will allow English forward Jesse Lingard, who is 28, to leave on loan during the January transfer window, but the final decision will be made by the Old Trafford's board. Real Madrid could turn their attention to sign Borussia Dortmund's 20-year-old Norway striker Erling Braut Haaland, who is wanted by Chelsea, Manchester United, Paris Saint-Germain. After France forward Kylian Mbappe said he is very happy at Paris Saint-Germain. Scottish midfielder Billy Gilmour, 19, could yet leave Chelsea on loan this month, despite starting in the side's FA Cup win over Luton Town, according to manager Frank Lampard. Real Madrid director Emilio Butragueño appeared to confirm that 35-year-old Croatian midfielder Luka Modric will sign a new contract at the club. Liverpool boss Jurgen Klopp has asked the club's board not to miss the opportunity to sign Bayern Munich Austria defender David Alaba when he becomes available on a free transfer in the summer. Manchester United Dutch midfielder Donny van de Beek is willing to remain patient at Old Trafford despite being given limited opportunity to impress since his £40 million move in the summer. Fenerbahce have asked supporters to help raise funds following the signing of former Germany international Mesut Ozil, who just joined the club from Arsenal. We have come to the end of this episode of Boss Sports on Boss Sport TV. Till we meet you again next time. Bye for now.